Let's see how you can easily build a Facebook AI chatbot that can respond to the customers' messages and also the comments as well. For example, when someone comments on your Facebook page, it will simply use AI to handle those comments at comment replies, and you can even send messages as well. So it works on all the posts and reels as well. Likewise, if they send a direct message and ask any sort of questions about your own business, it can simply handle those questions using the power of AI as well. So in this case, let's see how to use Google Gemini to handle these responses from on Facebook as well. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect your Facebook page right here. So here we have connected the Facebook Messenger, which is the Facebook page, demo chatting media right here. So if you're wondering how, click on channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings, channels, where you can easily log in with your Facebook account and simply choose the Facebook page you want to connect and simply connect it. So once it is connected, you will see this sort of window right here, and in the integrations you have to make sure to connect the API keys from the Google Gemini as well. So click on Google Gemini over here, and here you will need to enter the API keys from the Google AI Studio. So if you're wondering how, click on this learn more right here. It will take you directly to the specific guide on Google Gemini, where you have this specific link on how to create API key from the Google AI Studio, and simply enter that specific key in the platform, and simply use that to build the Google Gemini AI chatbot. Alright, so once it is done, you can go to the AI hub over here and create an AI agent for your own business, where you can add all the information for the AI agent to respond to it. For example, here let me use the Greenscape landscaping solutions. So let me open this one over here. So it says you are an official customer service assistant for this specific company. Yeah, your role is to respond professionally using the company knowledge base, and here we have all the guidelines on how the responses should look like, and here we have information about that specific company: introduction, service areas, services they provide, some pricing information, and if you scroll down, some frequently asked questions along with the other details as well. Alright, so here we have all the information about that specific business. So when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it's gonna simply use the information right here to respond to the customer's questions over here. Alright, and if you want to use the Google Gemini, you can click on this option right here, where you can choose the specific models. So currently the opening is set up as the first priority, but if you want to use the Google Gemini AI models, then you have to first set the priority for the Google Gemini right here. Alright, so here click on this arrow mark, so it will move up. Okay, now Google Gemini is set up as the first priority, and here Google has released all these latest model: 3.6 flash, 3.5 flash, 3.5 flashlight, other models too. So here you can choose what model you are planning to use. For example, this is the latest model, but if you want to use a different model, 3.5 flashlight, you can do that as well. And here only if the Google Gemini 3.5 flash fails, then it will try to generate a response from the opening, since we have connected that one as well. So likewise, if both of these model fails, it will try to generate a response from this model as well. All right, so that's how it works. And here you can adjust the temperature, tokens, and other things as well. So let me click on save over here. So it has been saved now. So let me set this as the default agent as well. Alright, so now this is set up as a default agent. So now what happens is that when a particular customer sent a message on Facebook page or any other connected channels right here, it will simply use the information in this specific AI agent to handle those responses. But if you want to handle the comments, you can do that as well. Go to the marketing tools over here and use the Facebook comments automation right here. So here I'm in the Facebook comments automation. Create a new one, and let me say AI comments this particular company, Greenscape Landing Solutions. Alright, so here you can use all post, so it will simply work on the past post reels and the future post and reels as well, and the private reply. So if you want to send a DM when they comment, you can do that as well. So let me choose the AI agent over here and use the Greenscape landscaping solutions, and public comment reply. So this will be added as the public comment reply to the specific comment made by the customers. So you can choose the same AI agent if you want. So if you don't want to send them a DM when they comment, you can choose none as well. So now what happens is that when a particular customer goes to the specific Facebook page, add a comment on your Facebook post or reels, it will simply add the public comment reply right here and also send them a DM as well. So that's how it's set up right here with the same AI agent for both of these, private reply and also public reply to comment as well. And you can reply to all comments. So since it's AI, it can simply handle any comments posted by the customer. And here you can even like the user comment, and here if you want you can delay these responses as well. All right, so let me click on save over here and make sure this is active as well. Alright, so if you want to delay the responses generated through the DMs, you can go to the settings over here and choose the bot reply delay. So here you can set how long the bot wait before replying the user's last message. So this delay is set up for the specific AI agents or AI chatbot. When someone actually sends you a message, direct message right here, you can set how long it will wait before it actually generate a response. So here let me choose none over here. I'm not going to change this, but if you want to delay the responses a little bit, you can do that as well. All right, so now let's test how this actually works. So let me go to the AI hub over here, open this specific AI agent right here. All right, so now let me ask the questions over here and see how this actually works. So let me go to the Facebook page and this time let me add a comment. So this can simply work on any post or reels as well. So let me add a comment right here saying, what services do you provide? So I have just added the comment right here. So now it will should send us a DM. So here we receive the DM right here. We specialize in wide variety of services to keep you outdoor spaces looking at the best, including landscape design, etc, etc, etc. Simple as that. So now if I go to the specific comment or refresh the page, we can see the public comment reply as well. For example, let me go to the specific post right here. So here I asked the question, what services do you provide? And it simply added the specific comment reply right here saying, we specialize in wide variety of services to help you create and maintain beautiful outdoor space, including landscape design. These are the things. All right, and here you see it actually liked the specific comment as well. So even if you ask any other question in the same post or different post or reel, it can work as well. So let me ask about a different question right here. Let me ask about the opening hours or business hours in the same post. What are your business hours? All right, I'm asking the same question in the same post right here. So now it should send us a DM and also add the comment reply right here as well. So here we receive the DM right here. We are open Monday through Friday. These are the opening hours. We are closed on Sundays so our team can rest and recharge. All right, so now let me refresh the page over here and see how the comment reply has worked out right here. So here, what are you? So here click on view more comments where we can see all the comments right here. So this is the first comment about the services. This is the second comment, what are your business hours? It simply add the comment reply right here. So likewise it can work on any reel or post as well. So even if you send a direct message right here, it can work as well. So these two messages generated using the specific comment, but even if you send a direct message, it can work as well. So let me ask a different question right here. So the gold plan $3.99 a month include all these things as well. So let me go to the specific message option right here and ask about it. How much is for the gold plan and what is included there? All right, so let me ask about the pricing for the gold plan and what is included. So let's see, our gold maintenance plan is $3.99 per month. It includes weekly, these are the things, etc, etc. Simple as that. So it simply responds to us using the information we have already provided. And if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversations happened. So inbox, this is from the Facebook Messenger. Here Facebook Messenger, you can see all these conversations happened, and from here also agent can easily jump in and talk with the customers anytime as well. So currently it says bot is active, but if you send a message from the unified inbox, the bot will be posted automatically as well. So you can actually have a kind of creative conversation with your customers, and then you can transfer the chat to the back to the bot as well. For example, let me send a message right here, and as you can see, a bot active is gone, but the customer will receive that message right here as well. So even if a customer send any other messages, it won't generate any responses from the bot because currently it's inactive. And here you can also easily filter conversation by bot only, human only. So if you untick, it will show conversation from bot and the human as well. And here you can even filter these conversation even more using your inbox other things as well. All right, and here if you click on this option, it will automatically transfer the conversation to bot. All right, so now if a particular customer asks any other question, it can simply respond as well. So that's okay. You know how you can easily build a Facebook AI chatbot powered by Google Gemini. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.